Kerala style carrot coconut stir fry special carrot recipe from Kerala. A simple carrot recipe for rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. Then keep it low flame and add 3 red chillies cut into halves, 8 chopped shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
2 cups of chopped carrot, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 2 green chilli slits, 1 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and stir it. Now, cook for 2 minutes without closing the lid. Stir it every 30 seconds to avoid burning. Now, we can switch off the flame. Our Kerala style carrot coconut stir fry recipe is ready. Store it in a refrigerator if you are keeping it for the next day.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.